Yeah, some instructions to make an origami pterodactyl. Start with a square, and I'm going to fold in half diagonally. So we'll line the corners up, hold them together, and crease. Open up, and the same with the opposite diagonal. So again, line the corners up, hold them together, and crease. Now, I fold this lower corner up to the middle, hold it and crease, unfold. Now I want to make another crease between that crease and the middle, and crease. And then again between that crease and the middle crease. And I need to make these marks. I just want to mark that because I'm using a reference point. So I'm going to fold the point up and crease. Now I'm going to fold the outer edges in. So the lower edge is coming up from the middle and it's covering over the point we just folded. Crease both sides. Now unfold. I'm going to open out this folded point. So I'm folding that point over. Lift it up. Separate the layers and squash. Take one side, fold it up. Separate the layers, open out, and squash. Now I'm going to fold the corners in, on both sides into the middle. Unfold. Now we're going to fold the middle up and the edges in. This sort of frog base shape, and the corner down, and fold over, and the same on this corner. So again, I'm opening that point, opening it, squash it flat, folding edges in on both sides, open out and fold that edge in, and the edges out. And down. Now, I'm going to fold it in half along the middle. So the middle's actually changed. So this is another line. And turn over. So I'm putting another crease in the middle there. So two diagonal creases. Then turn over. And lengthwise. So I'm folding the edges together. Hold them. And then crease. Open up. Now we're going to pull it in and make a preliminary base. But it's got this extra bit that we folded earlier. And crease. Now again, we'll fold the open sides up into the middle on both sides. And fold the corner over. Open out, and then fold the top layer up, which will cause the edges to fold in. Again, this is a bird base shape. And turn over. Do the same thing. So I'm folding the edges in. And the top section over. Open out. and fold the top section up. And down again. Now I'm going to fold it round, and the sides with the extra bit folded up I'm going to hold up. These have become the wings. This is actually a traditional crane, and we just added a few embellishments to give it a dinosaur look. Now I'm going to fold the edges in the lower section on both sides. Turn over, and the same again. So we're narrowing these points. I'm going to take these points and fold them up and turn them inside out. So I'm folding that in and reversing it. And the same on the tail. So fold that up, turn it inside out. Now I'm going to grip those points and just slide them down a bit. Do that on both sides. Okay, so now we've folded the wings out, I'm going to look at the head. So I'm twisting it down, and I want to open up. I'm opening up the frog base shape made earlier. So I'm just going to twist that together. I'm going to fold the corners up. And take the whole thing, and just where that corner folds over, I'm just going to slide it round. Okay, now on each of these corners I can fold them up, fold the corner over, and fold the point down. Turn over, same thing. So with that corner I'm folding it up and folding the point down again. Now I'll narrow the beak, so fold that edge over and fold the edge into the crease, and the same behind. Now the crest, so I'm going to fold each of the edges in, narrow it on both sides, and fold it up again. And we'll just fold the layer of the beak in, so that folds it over. Slipping off the page there, so just narrowing that on one side, turn over to the same on the other. And there's a head. Now we'll fold the wings down. This is the classic crane shape, but I sometimes heard it called a pterodactyl, so I quite like what we've done here. And I might just narrow the wings a bit, so bend the thing, and then just wings. I'm folding over on one side first of all, then I'm going to fold it behind. Just gives it a little bit of shape, I think. Around there, and the same on the other sides. So I'm folding it on one side, then turning it over and folding it in. There we have, pterodactyl.